here at Trader Village. Say hey, what's up to the camera. Hey. So we're here at Trader's Village. We're here for the iconic Scandit Screamer today. So I'm gonna catch y'all once we are in the park. I'm officially about to ride my bucket list coaster. This was the former Scandit Screamer at Scandit in California. All hail, y'all! All hail! Riding it, I rode it 3 times already right now. It is really insane. It's like janky, but has really insane airtime. I'm gonna get a few more rides on it, but I'm just doing like my little photo lap and coaster, or getting some off-rides in. But what's so ironic with this coaster, you can literally see over Texas. You can see Titan, and then you can see Superman in the oil derrick. But yeah, it's really good. It's really great ride. But let's get some off-rides on this thing. Riding that thing right there, that was really good. I got that finished. I rode that thing 5 times right now already, but I'm planning on getting some more rides on it a little later because the park closes at 5 actually. So I'll probably talk to y'all probably once the park is already closed. So it does it. I rode this thing 7 times on December 31st. This ride is super elite. And I'm about to check out of Trader's Village. I did a few other rides. I did the drop tower, and I did a super loop over there. And it was a really great day. I got 7 rides, and then I got 1 on the other 2. And guess I'll catch y'all somewhere. I don't know.